welcome to Gear House. Today it's a special video because we have a special product. So today, as you can see, we have a Scorpion helmet. It's my first experience as well with a Scorpion helmet. So let's unbox it. Extra visor, nice. Manual. The helmet. Looks good. So far, quite a premium kind of cover for this pin lock. So this helmet, I'm quite excited to even check it out because it's a Scorpion full carbon fiber race helmet. So this is the Scorpion EXO R1 full carbon gloss helmet. So it's pretty much a race helmet. You get like the dark screen as well in the box. So you have the transparent visor, the dark visor, and this pin lock prepared, and they have provided the pin lock. So you can put it on to either the light or the dark screen. This is one of the most well-rated helmets, apart from because this competes with all the top of the line. This is the same helmet which Fabio Quartararo wears in MotoGP, so it's like the exact same helmet. This is DOT, ECE, and FIM approved. So that says pretty much standard-wise. It's quite heavily standard tested, and because it is a MotoGP helmet. EXO R1 Air had come out, so that was the non-carbon fiber version of this helmet. That also was a very good helmet, and obviously it takes a lot more R&D to make a carbon fiber helmet. So this is it's gone through a lot to be able to have a production helmet, and this does compete with your top of the line AGV Pista GPR, HSE Spirit 3, RI, the latest one EC 2206 approved. This pretty much competes with the top of the line helmets, and also the X-Lite 803 RS. So apart from that, this helmet has got like a very, very concise shape. The spoiler is quite good. It's quite light when you actually look at other helmets, and this helmet it's like very, very light comparatively. Let's try it on. We'll see how it feels. So far, out of all the helmets, this is the most comfortable helmet I've worn. It's quite stiff, good for a race helmet. Can't move it at all. It's a bit tight initially, but that is how helmets are supposed to feel, because over time they'll break in, which is very good. It also comes with a titanium double D ring, which is also very good for safety. So you can see the helmet. It's a very good helmet. So far, the impression is really nice. Apart from this, it has quite a lot of it's apparently got very good ventilation. But I haven't had a chance to wear this again while riding or actual on-road experience, so I can't exactly say. I've just heard a lot of good things about it. So it's my first, and this is my first carbon fiber helmet. So I've actually not got a chance to try on any other one, but it's like a promising first helmet going to the premium helmet category. So it looks really good, feels really good. This also has cutouts for Bluetooth intercoms, so that also is an option. But apart from that, this also it's one of the cheapest helmets compared to, if you compare our AGV Pista GPR, which is like 1,200 to 1,500 pounds, which is like insane to for a motorcycle helmet. This comes around a solid 400, 450 pounds, depending on what range you go, 450, 400, somewhere there. So it's a very promising helmet for the price. It's a lot of value for the buck. And out of all the helmets what I've seen in the racing helmets, because most race helmets are very noisy. So all the helmets are meant for safety and not for noise reduction. So they also come with earplugs and stuff, which helps the rider to put it on and use the race helmet. But apparently this helmet is one of the quietest helmets you can have. So out of all the premium race helmets, this has a very, it's got like a nice padding and lining which kind of keeps noise out. So it's one of the most like quiet helmets you can have while riding. Which is also good. If you pair it to the intercom, you can actually hear the intercom rather than the wind noise, which happens most of the time. So you have to like dial up the volume so you can hear the call or music or whatever you're hearing at the time. So this is quite a big factor for me personally, as having a quiet helmet is with the safety it comes with, definitely it's a pro 100%. But yeah, it's if you have like a budget race helmet which is also quite good, it's not like compromising on any factors, but still quite affordable compared to other helmets. Because I know even the RI, all of them are easy about, even the Shark GP Race Pro is around 900 pounds, 800 pounds, 700 pounds, all within that range. So this is one of the most affordable race MotoGP ready helmets you can buy in the market. Apart from that, in the same range you get Ruroc helmets, which I had bought a Ruroc Atlas 2 at one point of time, but had a very bad experience with it, so it's not the best. But since that also, I've heard good things about the fourth version, I think, which has come out this year. So the Ruroc Atlas 4.0 is supposed, what I've heard is it's quite good, decent. They've also come out with a track variant for the Ruroc 4.0, which looks quite promising and looks quite nice. It is also in the same kind of 500 pound range as this one. But Scorpion has been for a long time in the market, and they make like quite promising helmets from a long time. And yeah, I would still be on the Scorpion, Team Scorpion for race helmets if you're going on the budget, in that kind of range. But yeah, it's his personal opinion. Ruroc helmets look great. I can't deny that. But yeah, apart from that, it's a bit sketchy. No idea about how the 4.0, because even the 2.0 and 3.0 both quite hyped up, but later on when you actually have the helmet, it's quite disappointing, unfortunately. But yeah, so Scorpion EXO R1 carbon. So once I get a more in-depth riding review, I will probably down the line make another video for this. Definitely, so I can give you more feedback on how it performs on the road. Might even do a couple of track days if I get a chance. So we never know. Never say never, right? So let me know how you like the helmet, and if you have any questions, do feel free to ask me any questions about it. Thank you for getting in, and let me know if you have any questions, and do subscribe. So this is the top of the line race helmet from Scorpion. So this also competes with Pista GPR, Pista GPRR. You have the RX7 from the RI. So all these are good alternatives as well. So this is the most budget friendly, because this helmet costs you like a lot. So it's like 1,200 pounds, like from 1,200 to 1,800 pounds, depending on the graphics and what kind of helmet you go for. But this is 500 quid, somewhere around there. So it's 450, I think, for the new one, because you have the Scorpion EXO R1 carbon, which is the Evo EXO, which is the newer model that's coming with the 22.06. So this is also, and this also is 22.06, the newer variants. All of them are 22.06 EC rated. So all of them are quite nice, but it's like 1/3 of the price of this. So I would easily suggest going for that helmet as is.